So viewers, today we are going to start our new wallet review. That's name is Kepler Wallet, and in this video I'm going to complete information how to download extension, how to install at your browser. So before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's start our video. First of all, I am going to open google.com because I need to find Kepler Wallet Google extension. So I'm going to open, and after that I will search. You can see here, first option is open in front of me. I just simple type Kepler Wallet, and then the main website is open in front of me. You can see here Kepler.app. This is the official website, Kepler Wallet, your multi-chain gateway. I just simple click on it if I need to download, and then the main website will be open in front of me. You can see here your multi-chain give gateway, and you will get all information about this wallet on this website. And you can see here there is options available here: extension, fast, and learn right your browser. Get the Google Chrome extension. Simple click on it. Simple click on it, and then the new page is open in front of me. And you can see here cross-chain swap, manage staking, advanced features, chain reward and stake, send and receive by. So you can get more information from wallet from this website, and you can see here there is option is available here, add to Chrome, and now add extension. After some time, the extension will be downloaded at my browser and then automatically installed. And almost 10.9 rating of this users. You will get more information about here. You can see here my wallet extension is downloaded and already automatically installed. So there's three options available here: create a new wallet, import existing wallet, and third option is available here: connect hardware wallets. So I'm newcomer on this website, so that I'm going to create a new wallet. Just simple click on first option, and after that you can see here use recovery phrases, sign up with the Google, and also you can see here create a new recovery phrases, and second option is available here: import a existing phrases, recovery phrases. So I need to create a new wallet, so just simple click on the first option, and now click on it, and you can see here there's do not share your recovery phrases with anyone. Anyone with your recovery phrases can have full control of your assets. Please stay away and phishing attack websites. Okay, and now going to get the all recovery phrases. Just drag down with this. I'm going to wait. It's maybe takes some glitch. And yes, you can see here the option is available here. I understand. Show my phrases. And as you can see, backup these phrases safely. You will never be able to restore your account without your recovery phrases. So going to click on under I understood. Show. You can see here my all recovery phrases shown here. Almost 12 recovery phrases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just simple going to copy my phrases. Try to first of all I'm open notepad file, and after that I will copy all my phrases. Open notepad file and thus just simple paste, copy and paste here. I think I will type manually all phrases, because if I'm going to copy all phrases, so just paste here only one phrase. So going to type my all phrases one by one. The second phrase, and after that I'm going to type my third phrase, and now fourth place, now fifth number of my phrases, sixth number, now seven number, now eight number, nine number, 10 number, going to type 10 number, and now going to type 11 number, and now last one is 12 number. So I just simple check here the J is missed from here, so going to type from my keyboard of my laptop. So simple click here and type J. Now I type my all phrases, and before going to save this file, I must cross check one by one my all phrases is correct or not, and also check the spell. So I think my fourth number phrase is not correct. So I think here is M miss. So again open my keyboard of my window. So again click here, and now click M. Now my all phrases is correct. This is only for education purpose, so please don't use these phrases. Going to click on next button, and after that I will verify my recovery phrases, the word number 1 and word number 7. So going to copy first phrases and paste here, and second phrases 7 number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Speed, just simple copy and paste here. Now going to type the my wallet, or just simple type here wallet. It's depend on you. And also going to enter the my password here. I'm going to enter my strong password here, because this video is only for education purpose, but you need to strong password apply your account if you want to save your account from scammer or hacker. Okay, I am enter my confirm password, going to click on next button. Now you can see here my wallet is going to creating. Now done, and all chain is available here. 75 chain is available here. The main name is available here like Ethereum, Cosmos, Bitcoin. So going to click on save button, and then you can see here simple click on finish button. My account is created successfully. Now I'm going to pin my extension of Keplr wallet, right top corner, click on extension. Now going to click on pin, and this icon is shown in front of me. Just simple click on it, and now successfully I have created my Keplr wallet. So as incoming videos, I will give you more information about how can you download, how you deposit, how to find private key, how to withdraw amount from this wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.